Hello my glamorous gorgeous ladies out there. Today I just want to take a moment to share with you my new package that I received from the noissue company, an eco-friendly company that I found online, and which I really like it. I like what the products that they offer. This is my soy based ink, and this is my new stamp. This is my logo right here, Glamorous Gorgeous, and I guess you have to put it together, attach it together, and then after that you can use it. I'm gonna try it on my, this is the ink right here, this is a soy based ink, and I'm gonna try it on my craft tissue paper that I got from Amazon. And let's see how it works. Oops, I think I pressed it too hard. Yes, I did. But like I said, I'm just playing with my, I feel like a little girl playing with toys for today and just trying my new stamp and see